Today we're back at it again, rebuilding my tractor or boxcar that tipped over in the last autumn or fall. I want to say it that way. I got a good package this week. It's the new starter for the tractor or boxcar. Here is the starter rope now. It doesn't want to retract. So we got a new one of those. Yep. So I'm gonna put that on, and I'm gonna make some supports in the corners here to keep the frame straight. Yeah, that's the plan for today.
Longer than a few minutes later.
So, finally, it runs again, the tractor. So I just cleaned the carb, dried off some stuff inside the carb. I didn't even really clean it. Put some new fuel in it and cleaned the spark plug. And then it smokes like a 2-stroke. But now it's kind of burnt away the oil. Because when you tip one of those, there gets oil everywhere where it shouldn't be oil. But I'm gonna check the oil level later when this is cooled off, in case we got to add. But I think it's pretty chill. But yeah, it runs, and yeah. So I got the windows that's missing, but I haven't cut them out yet because they does not fit inside the car with all the other stuff that's needed when we go out here. So I think I get to cut those in town if I'm gonna bring those, or we got to take the trailer. But yeah, next up, part 3 of this series, I guess, or if I just, yeah, it's gonna be windows. And then we're gonna paint some stuff. Unfortunately, this window is also cracked, but those windows are kind of expensive, so I'm just gonna replace those that are totally cracked now. for now, and we'll see. But it feels great to be back on the road with this. So I'm gonna continue my journey. I'm gonna drive a little more just to burn away the last oil. And then I'm gonna go back home. Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you watched this far, I would appreciate if you liked the video. I hate saying that, but it helps a lot with like pushing the video to more people. And yeah, maybe subscribe while we're on it if you haven't, because this is just the beginning. We got more stuff coming soon.